So we are in the example of hiking. You have to choose a meet to subscribe yourself, or you have to be together in your street and do it. What did that meet do? Let's go to see that. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel. Will allow you to know your functioning, and when you respect that instructions, you will live at least 75 years in the better health. And when you respect that, you can achieve at least 120 years on that road. So, when you arrived in the forest, what did you do? Here, they did a competitive sports that there are obstacles. Everyone did it. It's to know how is your capacity to endurance and how to get out of your your strongest. I had so I had something that encouraged me that wasn't my good, but everybody there won some things. Yeah. We need also to exercise, and we want everybody. When you accept to go and walk during at least 3 kilometers and do the exercise of obstacle, we're not obliged to have a grad, but you have to do it in order to have a healthy body, in order to clean ourselves, our organism, in order to stay in the healthy body. So let's go to see what they did and come back to conclude. Here, you can have a healthy body by jogging. Here, we are jogging, but we have to move. We have to exercise. Look at one example. Europe is showing us the step we have to do in the obstacle. Yes, right. First step, you will climb in the rope. Is in front. Our subject is to fight against the authority. We can do it. It's a game. So it go in the first step. Yes, it get in the tire. It get in the second tire. Yes, we are going in the first step. It's very easy to do it, but you have to know is moving. We have to move. You have to move because you so is getting. It's not easy. You have to do effort because it's basic and on endurance. Yeah, here, yeah, is you burn a large amount of calories by doing that. Is jogging. that another step, that the fifth step, go let go. You can do it. You come in the forest, you go to on the beach, you go on the mountain. To do it, we have to move. That another step, that another step, and keep on. So we are recording, so you need to so we record you. It's very easy. You can do it. We keep on with him. Here is another step. What will he do? So he jump, he smell jump. Okay. So it's a better exercise. Better exercise. So we go with him. So we have to fight against sedentary inactivity. So that's another step. You go in the peak and you will climb down. Okay, here that we do there. We are jogging, but we move. When you move, we burn a large amount of calories. We breathe a good amount of oxygen, and we load it with a good dose of dirt. We perspire there. That we were in the Broncos forest, and we had a large quantity of oxygen. Everybody there get after there, live there, winner. When we go in the forest and you exercise, you have a healthy body. I advise you to do the same thing. It's very to do is we can't be together. You can't organize your team and go to the nature. You can go on the mountain. You can go on the beach. You can go in the forest. You can go in the desert. You will have something. In the last video, we'll tell you what we'll have when you go to do such type of exercise. Thank you very much. See you in the last video.